When you buy a vegetable, different you have some waste. For example, carrot skin, celery leaf, which you don't usually use. Keep it all those waste.
So all the trimmings and the bits of peel.
All these vegetables you put into the blender mixer. It has dry orange skin, but you can also use fresh orange skin as well. Apple, and also another ingredient is obviously the stem of shiitake mushroom. All this mix into the mixer and then add salt. Becomes this vegetable mixture paste. As you see, chicken is open flatly, and you mix this toko mixture onto the chicken to marinate. After marinated, you need to wash it, and after wash and dry it with a paper towel, and you can bake in the oven. This is the baked chicken that's marinated in the toko vegetable toko. It's really simple. Just wash it off and then put it in the oven. The skin is really crispy. Okay, you can do just like he does. Also, you can also add some cheese, for example. This is a simple decoration that you just peel a daikon radish, I'm sure you know, and just shave the side.
Feels like Christmas, doesn't it?
Yes, Christmas. Christmas tree.